Loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine. Today's video is my September obsessions. This is the best in beauty and lifestyle for the whole entire month. Tomorrow is going to be October 1st. Let me know if you guys are ready for Vlogtober, where I will be uploading a video every single day for the month of October. It won't be just vlogs, it will be a mashup of beauty, lifestyle, maybe day in the life of vlogs. Let's jump in now to my September obsessions. I'm going to first start with some lifestyle favorites because I really wanted to first kind of talk about those and then move into more beauty items. So today's video is in partnership with the brand MONQ. I know I spoke about them last month. Thank you so much to MONQ for sponsoring today's video. So this is the MONQ Pumpkin Spice Personal Oil Diffuser. Tastes like pumpkin spice and smells like pumpkin spice. So you're probably curious, like, what is MONQ? Breathe in through your mouth, then you exhale it through your nose. It lights up at the end. Again, this doesn't contain any nicotine or tobacco. So the ingredients in this: cinnamon, allspice, nutmeg. It also contains black pepper, blood orange, cardamom, cinnamon bark, cinnamon leaf, coffee, ginger, nutmeg, ginger grass, vanilla. Everything in here is all natural ingredients. It is aromatherapy, a personal oil diffuser, which I absolutely love. I keep this in my purse. Only supposed to take about 2 to 3 breaths per day. This is supposed to last you about 3 weeks. So if you've been curious about MONQ and what it's all about, I highly recommend you guys check out the pumpkin spice if you are into pumpkin spice, because the aroma of pumpkin spice is definitely in this. And at Trader Joe's, and this is their green dragon hot sauce. This is something that I think if you are a hot sauce lover, definitely pick this up. It has that spice. It takes whatever food you're eating up to another level. I put this on top of omelet, spam, put this on top of chicken adobo. Did I put this on top of pork chop? I think I even put this on top of pork chop, fried chicken. I mean, I just drizzled this on basically everything. My husband and I have been really enjoying this. Now, as for some beauty obsessions for the month, it's gonna have to go hands down to the e.l.f. Line and Define eye tape. I picked this up at the e.l.f. store. This was, I think, $2 or $3, but it's very, very affordable. Very soft tape that's very gentle on your eyes. Use this in the doing my makeup on a roller coaster video, which I'm gonna link up here in the card area. But what I like to do is cut this in half, and then I will place half of this like right along the edge of my eye to really help create that barrier, so you don't have to go back and clean it up with Q-tip and makeup remover or just like a makeup remover cloth. It already creates that barrier, so you get a nice crisp edge, which I have been really enjoying. That's actually what I use today to create this crisp edge with my eyeshadow. And I find that this helps me with the blending of my eyeshadows in a way. It helps me to really see where I need to blend a little bit more. I don't know if that makes any sense, but that's what I've been noticing. This is the eyeshadow palette that really won me over this month, and I am also wearing the eyeshadows today. It's a Maybelline Sodapop eyeshadow palette. It is a 12-pan eyeshadow palette, which contains some mattes, some shimmers, and some satins. And it also smells like, well, now the scent isn't as strong, but you can still smell a bit of the soda with a bit of grape twist to it. Filmed a whole review swatch video and also like a little makeup tutorial using these eyeshadows. I think it is such a step up from the Lemonade eyeshadow palette to get a lot of those warmer tones with some pops of color. I think it's a really great versatile palette. Shadows in here are pretty pigmented, so let me swatch one more for you guys. They are pretty pigmented, very blendable, worth checking out at the drugstore. Milani, I'm pretty sure if you guys have been watching me for a while, then you know about this product. It's the Milani Stay Put Matte 17-Hour Liquid Liner, and this one is in the shade 01 Black Matte. It's the eyeliner that I'm wearing today. It has a very fine tip. It is also very pigmented. This definitely is a 17-hour wear, stay put, matte black finish eyeliner. I've used this when I work out. It doesn't budge, it stays in place even if I have sweat dripping down my face. This is the item that doesn't move. It's from the brand Esqido. This is the Esqido liner. It's a gel eyeliner in the shade black. This is one of those twist up liners. The other side, right over here also has a small little sharpener. Swatch it so you guys can see what it looks like, which is right there. It's a very black matte liner. I use this to tightline my eyes. There are some eyeliners when I tightline my eyes and it turns red immediately, but with this I haven't had a problem with it. Removes fairly easily with cleanser and also some micellar water without really having to tug or pull. It's also one of those products, if I sweat, it doesn't start dripping down my face or it doesn't transfer to the bottom, which is something that I also really appreciate with this product. The Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray, which I have been a fan for years, but I decided to pick one up. I'm kind of rotating this with the Too Faced Hangover RX setting spray. Helps keep your makeup in place. It is really true to its name, an all-nighter setting spray, because it pretty much, you know, it keeps your makeup budge proof. Plus I also like the fine mist because it's not too much. So for lip products, I have a combo I have been loving and obsessed with for the month. e.l.f. lip scrub in the flavor grapefruit. I think it's gonna look a little bit dingy. Oh yeah, it is. These little sugar granules to help exfoliate the lips, and I love the flavor of this. Gentle lip scrub that's not very abrasive, because there are some lip scrubs out there that just feel super harsh. It's inexpensive, it's drugstore, and I've been really enjoying it. Obsessed with this product. It's from the brand Laneige, and this is the lip sleeping mask, but this is in their limited edition flavor grapefruit. I have made quite a dent in this already, and I just bought this the other month. It smells so good. It really does smell like a grapefruit, but this is one of those products that I know I'm gonna keep repurchasing. It's such a great product for, I think it's like $19–20, but well worth every single penny. You could apply this like right on top of your lipstick. Doesn't disturb the lip product underneath it if you're wearing a, say, like a liquid lip. It just helps moisturize and gives like a little tiny bit of shine to it. It's a great one, especially to apply before bed. The next morning, your lips will feel plump and moisturized. And then last but not the least is from my friend Jackie. She sent me this really sweet goodie package a couple of weeks back, and I had to mention the nail polish that I'm wearing today, which I have been wearing for the past 2 weeks. It's from the brand Opi. She sent this in her goodie package. So this is the Opi nail polish in the shade called Don't Bossa Nova Me Around. It's kind of like a nudie pink color. They're also quite long lasting. I haven't painted them in about 2 weeks, so they still look pretty good for 2 weeks. So I think that is about it for my September obsessions. Let me know, what did you guys think of these products? Have you guys tried any of these out? I would love to get your feedback. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please make sure you smash that like button, as well as don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification, turn on those post notifications to be notified of new videos. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys check out the videos right over here. Thank you, loves, so much for watching, and I will see you, loves, tomorrow for Vlogtober Day 1. There will be a brand new video every single day for the month of October. I'll see you guys tomorrow for a brand new video. Mwah.